HTML images. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Okay. Images can improve the design and the appearance of the web page. HTML images syntax. IMG src equals to double quotes of path or URL. You can specify the path or URL of the image here. Then ALT stands for alternate text. If due to some reasons, if the image is not displayed, then alternate text will be displayed. Okay. The HTML image tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Okay. Why we use the HTML image tag? To insert the image in a web page. Okay. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to the web page. Image tag creates a holding space for the referred images. Okay. Image tag will create a holding space for the referred images. The image tag is an empty tag. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. Image tag does not have a closing tag. It contains attributes only. The image tag has two required attributes, src, alt. src specifies the path to the image. ALT specify alternate text for the image. Okay. The src attribute. The required src attribute specify the path to the image. Okay. The image can be present in our local system, or you can copy the path from Google by using the URL. Okay. You can place the URL of the image. When a web page loads in the browser, at that moment that image gets from a web browser and inserts into the web page. Okay. Whenever a web page loads in the browser, at that moment that gets the image from the web browser and insert it into the web page. Therefore, make sure that the image actually stays in the same spot in relation to the web page. Otherwise, your visitor will get a broken link icon. The broken link icon and the alt text are shown in the browser cannot find the image. Okay. If you are inserting the image from the Google, make sure that that image, you specify a correct URL of that image. If due to some specific reason that image is removed from the Google, if you are using the same URL, then the broken link icon will be appeared and the text will be appeared as image cannot be found. Okay. The ALT attribute. The required ALT attribute provides an alternate text for an image. If the user for reason cannot view it because of slow internet connection or error in the src attribute, the value of the alternate attribute should describe the image. If a browser cannot find the image, it will display the value of the alternate attribute. Okay. CMD, go to command prompt. VS code space dot, open the Visual Studio Code editor. Add a new file here. img.html. Add a default boilerplate code HTML5 here. Just type it as img, press enter. Okay. Syntax of image tag is generated by the Visual Studio Code. Then in the src you can specify the images available. See here, images folder is available in here. So I'll select the image from here only first, /images/ see. This all the images are available in my system. I'll select del.jpg. Alternate text, what I will specify here, del image. Okay. Save the file, Control S, right click, open with live server. See, Dell image is displayed here. Due to some reason, see, I'll change this file name as Dell1. Okay, Control S. Then open with live server. See, here image is not displayed because it's SRC. I made a mistake in the SRC. So alternate text is displayed here, Dell image. Okay, image is not displayed, but alternate text is displayed. Okay, why? Because I have made the mistake here. If you make the mistake in the URL of the image or path of the image is not displayed. Alternate text is displayed. Okay, you can select any of the image whichever available in your system. Okay. Then another way is directly how to add the image directly without adding into the images folder. I'll show you. Okay. See, just drag and drop the image whichever required for you. Okay. See this image. I'll drag and drop here. Okay. If you want, you can rename this image. Just I'll rename as sunset.jpg. Okay. The image name was too large, so I have renamed it. So just write here sunset. No need to add the folder name. Directly you can write sunset.jpg. Here I will change the alternate text message also. Sunset image. Okay, Control S. Open with live server. See, this image will be loaded here. Okay, if you want to add the images in the folder, you can add, or directly you can drag and drop. Okay, then next go to Google. Go to Google Chrome. How to insert the URL of the image? Just type it as images. Okay, any of the image required, you can select. And select this image. Right click on the image. Copy image address. Then go to Visual Studio Code here. Just here paste the address. Control V. Okay. View, toggle word wrap, Control V. Alternate sunset image. Okay. Then save the changes. Control S. Right click. Open with live server. See the sunset image is added here. Okay. If you made any mistake in URL, the image will not be displayed. Okay, I'll add here one. Control S. Right click, open with live server. See the image is not displayed. Alternate text is displayed. Sunset image. Okay. Go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you want to specify the height and width, you can do it. Height equals to double quotes of 200. Width equals to 300. Okay. Now save the changes. Control S. Open with live server. See, you can resize the image. I hope you understood about the HTML image concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.